My name is Daniel Galmiche and I had 4 Michelin star restaurants. I've been brought up in a lovely environment in France, in east of France, Franche-Comté, where I learned a lot about the produce through my great auntie with her farm. Simple is actually not that easy unless you have the right produce. This is, for me, the key. We're going to do a lovely chicken in papillote, what I'll call papillote. It's a parcel, actually. That's a French expression for papillote. But with unusual thing, we're going to use cucumber as a vegetable. That's something people think it's not bizarre, obviously, because we do cucumber salad and roasted cucumber. And you can even put cucumber on the grill, which is really good. So cucumber, obviously peel, as so. Okay, take the seeds off and you just cut in strip. Very, very simple. That's it, like that. Put enough for one portion. Okay, voilà. All about the same length, so when you cut your cucumber, you make sure they're all the same length. You see, that's it. Voilà, simple. Now, we're going to just warm up the cucumber until it's become a little bit translucid, but still crunchy. Very important, they are not overcooked. Yeah. Also, chicken on. Nice breast of chicken. I've just seasoned it already there, you can see. Same, and I keep saying for the meat, room temperature. Don't take it out of the fridge straight in a pan. It will stress the muscle too much. Okay? A bit of salt, like that. Black pepper. Same on the other side. Black pepper, salt. All right? Pan is on. Drop of oil in a pan. Like that. Yeah? And drop of butter. Put the oil first so the butter doesn't burn. Very important. Okay, right. So pan fry. You can keep the skin on if you prefer the skin. I like also with the skin because I like crispiness of it. But a lot of people would remove the skin, so I understand that. And you put the chicken. When you put the chicken, you don't put it that way to come to you. You put it away from you, so you don't burn yourself or completely, okay? Because sometimes people drop it and you get splashed and you burn yourself. So you put it away from you always, okay? I don't need that. It's finished. So you give a good color, good nice color both sides. Now paprika. Wash your hand, which I do because chicken is dangerous, like salmon is dangerous, cross-contamination. Wash your hand carefully. Okay, put that in here. Tiny bit of olive oil. Gas off because that's really warm. And what you want is just barely saute like that with olive oil. Touch of seasoning. Not too much because you need to check again at the end. Pepper, not too much either. And what is really good with chicken, you've heard of chicken and paprika, obviously. So we're keeping the same idea, but the paprika instead is going to go on the top of the cucumber, like that. We take smoked paprika, not the strong one. This one is smoked, so it gives another kind of a, not barbecue, I don't like the word kind of barbecue flavor, but almost a bit of grilled flavor, like that. And you toss that around like that, and you can see the color is changing. And that's all you need. We remove that. That's it, because obviously the rest of the cooking is done within a parcel in here, yeah? Chicken is done in here, okay? Attention, be careful when you turn it, slowly, always away from you, on the corner there, and not up front. So you lift the pan slightly, and you turn it, and you put it away. Voilà, it's cooking now. That is nearly ready, so we can already use that. Okay. Put them all like that, line up. So you can do that while your chicken is finishing to be pan fried. Okay. Okay, lovely. And you're going to just pose the chicken on that. That's all you have to do. Okay, chicken ready now. Same color on the back. That's all you need. And you put your chicken like that. Okay, actually, you can even turn it that way, which is even easier. Look at that, beautiful, one portion. Now, on that, we're going to put a little bit of cream, just on the top like that. Okay, no more. That's going to, during the cooking process, going to get mixed with all the juice of the chicken, and obviously will take the flavor of the cucumber and the flavor of the paprika. You bring that towards you now in here, push it like that, okay, you can see, yeah, and I'm going to fold in here like this, 1, 2, and 3, and make sure it does hold quite well. You turn on that side in here, and you're going to do 1, 2, okay, and you put a corner there like that. So it's trying to block it, so during the cooking it stay a little bit together. Okay, what you can do as well, of course, is put, like we do sometimes, chef, put a with stapler, but now we're not allowed anymore. So okay, that's it, that's it. And if you see then, because you got a greaseproof paper, which is quite you know, not annoying, but the one, voila, like this. Okay, that's going to go on a tray in the oven. Okay, so there's one in here. There is one in here which we don't. So that's what you do 4 like that. Okay. So let me put that in here now. Okay, and put this one in. That's it. Super. Okay. Now I kept the pan in here because I will need some of the juice of the chicken. Look at that. Look how beautiful is that. And all the juice is already released in here. So what you do, you hold that in here. You put that in here like that. Okay? Keep it warm. In here. I need to add a little bit of cream in here. See the color? Wonderful. Okay? And voilà, I'm going to do the jus very, very, very quickly. That's it. Almost cooked. Okay. I need to check the seasoning, so a little bit more in here. Don't forget, we did already put that in. And I'm going to do some whipped cream to add to the thing, so it make it really light. So I'm going to whisk that, like that. Just to give a touch of lightness to the sauce. Now I'm going to add a touch of water there so it doesn't become too much red juice and concentrate. Voila. And I'm going to put that on in here. That's it. Ah, lovely. I'm going to taste this already to see the way it is. Ah, the paprika, really nice. The paprika comes through a little bit, everything you can do. I'm going to add a touch more like that. Voila, because I like a bit more for me, so, okay. Okay. Cream is almost ready there. That's reducing anyway. Look at that. Obviously, we've done one chicken there. When you got the 4 chicken together, it gives you more sauce, obviously. Yeah? So you would not need to add too much of it. Eh? Okay. Season, need a little bit more of seasoning in here. That's it. Okay. We're going to put some whipped cream in a minute there. And some lovely chopped parsley. Like that. Okay, okay, remove one, you can see that bubbling away. And we're going to mix a little bit of that one, which is a little bit whisk. Voila, beautiful. Just toss it a little bit, gas off, we don't need it anymore. You can see that. And I'm going to finish by another touch of paprika in it. Voila, great. Plate ready. Look at this, beautiful. Okay, you can serve in a papillote if you want to, which is quite nice sometimes if you got guests. But I want to be able to cut the chicken. Okay, So that is your cucumber. Look at the color. They are translucent, but they stay together. They're quite firm. It's really, really nice. Chicken on a bone. The rest of the chicken goes in here. That's it. Now you don't need that. Up on the side. And we're going to cut the chicken like this. Just in diagonal. Okay. And slightly open like this. And just on the top like that. Okay. So obviously you can serve on side of that if you need to. A little bit of steamed rice would be quite nice. Or even wilted spinach or etc. You know. So you want your veg and you put your sauce and drizzle on the top. You can see it's slightly pinkish because of the thing. Yeah. And that's it. Et voilà. So, all right, here we are. So, papillote of chicken. Okay, so that means chicken cooked in a parcel with glazed cucumber, paprika, very light creamy sauce with herb. Done.